Today I'm visiting a new community by Toll Brothers, West Shore. West Shore offers a low maintenance and convenient lifestyle. They provide the lawn care, the irrigation, and they even have a fitness center on site on top of the swim and tennis. It's part of the highly rated Forsyth County School District and has easy access to Georgia 400. This community has both townhomes and cottages, and right now they're offering some really great buyer incentives, which I'm going to tell you about at the end of the video. So let's get started by taking a look at the model house for the cottages. It's called the Chestatee. Let's go check it out. Today we are touring the Chestatee floor plan. This floor plan has up to 5 bedrooms and up to 4 baths, and a 2-car garage. The square footage starts at 2,654 square feet and has some wonderful features, like an optional 3rd floor retreat, which is perfect for an in-law suite or a teen living area. Love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. Chestatee floor plan is one of Toll Brothers' most popular floor plans and can be built in several of their communities. So go ahead, fall in love, and contact me so I can make this dream house a reality for you. So that was the Chestatee model house, which is the model house for the Cottages side of this community. And it was great. It was like all other Toll Brother communities where they are just packed with tons and tons of upgrades, making each house totally unique and updated. So that was great. But I think what kind of surprised me about this particular floor plan was the third floor. I wasn't expecting to have such a massive area up here. It kind of feels like a little apartment. You have an office area, you have a dining room area, and then you have a living room, and then you have your own bathroom and bedroom. And I think it would be great for an in-law suite or a teenage suite, or even just for your guests that are visiting. They have their own privacy up here. And I thought this really, for me, is what made this house, was this third floor. But there are a lot of beautiful things about this house. The starting price is $619,000. And of course, that's the base price. So once you add in a lot of upgrades that you're gonna want, it will go up from there. But I'm wondering, what do you think? Do you think that it is worth the price? I do, but let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your opinions. Also, if you're interested in viewing more model houses all over Georgia, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting model houses on a weekly basis, and I'd love to take you along. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye now.